Hello friends! In this video I will address a question asked by one of my students who feels helpless, confused and disoriented in life. I'm sure that the answers you will receive here will help you understand the root of such situations. In the current period, many of us are experiencing situations of loss of direction, when all the old and familiar patterns are crumbling, and entire systems are collapsing before our eyes. The reason for this is the shortening of time, in which we are obliged to undergo processes of accelerated growth in a short period, and we are forcefully pushed to find our way, develop, and fulfill ourselves. If you are here watching this video, we can safely say that you are also in the process and are looking for solutions for the feeling of confusion and stagnation, and a clue that will relieve this situation. You may be surprised to hear that disintegration and collapse are good news. When a person or society is stuck in outdated and illusory worldviews and thinking patterns that limit them, the chance for development is low. This is exactly the reason for the disintegration and chaos that we experience. They are necessary in this period. But the more we hold on to what is familiar to us within the bubble of the matrix in which we are trapped, the greater our suffering and sense of helplessness will grow, and we will feel that we are treading water, unable to move forward. And why? Because within our matrix we are influenced by many thought patterns that are not synchronized with the cosmic principles. Collective intelligence introduces into us many fears, worries, depression, sorrow, anger, and frustrations, anxieties about health and livelihood, different beliefs about ourselves and others, jealousy, resentment, hostility, rage, and more. Indeed, the collective intelligence controls our lives, and we are not even aware of it. But in the new dimension we are entering, many of these worldviews will no longer serve us. According to the Kabbalah, all negative thoughts originate in the ha.р.х, in the shells, and when we are stuck with them for a long time, we lose energy. The forces of impurity and darkness suck our vitality, enslaving us to their will, and we are exhausted and groping in darkness and cannot see our way. Situations of despair and a sense of helplessness indicate that we are separated from holiness and are unable to receive any support or comfort from above. The process of our development takes place within a reality of concealment. The path is not clear to us, and the purpose of the change we are going through is not revealed to us. This is the main reason for our feeling of helplessness and panic. The collapse of the systems that so confuses and exhausts us is essential for rebuilding more positive and enlightened patterns in the new era. Therefore, in order not to get lost in the great change, we must shift something in the illusory worldview in which we live, and undergo a change of consciousness. Remove the screens that close on our vessels, which prevent the light from filling them. Only in this way we can return to ourselves and rediscover our direction in life. This process is difficult to do alone, and therefore I highly recommend to use the effective Kabbalistic tools at our disposal, the 72 names of God. The letter combination Hey-Resh-Chet from the 72 names of God helps in situations of loss of direction and groping in darkness, despair, sorrow, and depression. If we take into account that there are factors in the world that try to disrupt the connection between man and the Creator, these are the forces we must overcome in order to reconnect to holiness and to the power of personal providence in our lives. When we inscribe the name Hey-Resh-Chet in the body and mind through meditation, it illuminates within us a silver thread that descends from Chesed, kindness, in the world of emanation, Olam Atzilut, and connects to our minds. This is what allows us to reconnect to the Creator and the Supreme Providence, to connect to our spiritual root and draw strength from it. This is a wonderful way through which we will receive all the guidance we need in times of groping in darkness. What are you supposed to feel after you inscribe the frequency of Hey-Resh-Chet into your consciousness? You relax. The sense of panic will dissipate. You will feel that everything is fine. Everything is under control from the perspective of the Supreme Leadership. That someone or something will appear in your life and show you the way. That you will soon embark on the right path for you. You are invited to learn a special technique for inscribing the frequency of the letter combination Hey-Resh-Chet in an illustrated video that appears here on my channel. I'm adding the link under this video. If you are curious to learn more about the 72 names and how to implement them in your life, you are welcome to explore the book 72 Sessions with the Soul. The link will appear under this video as well. So, thank you for being with me and see you in the next videos.